Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Belkin kids headphone. So showing here Soundform Mini, so wireless on-ear headphone for kids. Okay. Comes with fun stickers inside. So it is a Bluetooth enabled device. We also have a 3.5 millimeter compatible cable. Okay, so age 3+ years. So one thing good about this one is safe sound for kids. So because it has a volume control, so there's a limit of the volume, so they will protect your kids' ears. So also has a 30 hours of playtime. Okay, so you see, really good looking for kids. Showing here $59.95. New Zealand dollars when it was sold. Okay, so it's tested to resist spills, accidents for up to 2 years, a maximum volume of 85 dB. So to protect ears and up to 30 hours, I told you earlier. So it has also built-in microphone for calls. Works with most apps. Anyway, I will open this now. So where is the lock? So there should be tape here. Yes. Okay. Yep. Then we need to open this one. I'll try it like this. Just pull it out. Okay, and just pull it out. Just pull out everything. So here are the stickers, so your kids can customize the headphone. So then some instruction here, and probably some warranty information. And here's the headphone. Quite small. Okay, let me check the size. Okay, to check the size, so the diameter is about 2.5 inches, so in millimeters about 6.5 centimeters. Okay, really nice. Then here's the connection. So you have a USB here, probably it's a type C, then or no, just a micro USB. Then here's the connection for the audio cable. Okay, and let me see what else. So here is the audio cable, so, and also the USB. So it's really a micro USB and a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Okay, so I just compare with the normal, like a full-size headphone, the Audio Technica ATH M50. So this one's really small, the kids. Okay, so that's it. So this is again the Belkin Soundform Mini wireless headphone, and again, thank you for watching.